Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize widgets on Apple Watch SE 3. First, swipe your watch face to the top to open the list of widgets, then scroll all the way to the bottom of the widgets list until you find the Edit button, tap on it, and now you can add a new widget by tapping the plus icon in the middle of the screen and then selecting the widget that you want to add. You can select one of the featured ones or select an app for which you want a widget. Now you can pin the widgets by tapping in the top right corner of the widget. You can remove them by tapping the red circle icon in the top left corner of a widget, like this. And for some widgets you can also edit elements. For example, you can remove the old ones and replace them with the new ones, like in this one. Just tap on the element of the widget to remove it, and then tap the plus icon to select a new one. Additionally, you can scroll to the very bottom of the list, and then you can change the widget suggestions. If you tap on widget suggestions, you'll be able to enable or disable them by switching this toggle. And you can also enable or disable smart stack hints in here in the same way. And you can also check the apps from which you can receive widget suggestions. And if you want to disallow some app to show you widget suggestions, just tap on it and switch this toggle to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.